There's a phrase that I've been hearing a lot recently, which is, I worry that I'm selling myself short. I hear this all the time from clients. How do I know if what I'm charging is enough? Am I charging too little? Can my clients afford what I'm charging? How do I know? Where do I even start? And my answer is almost always start with the numbers. What I love about coming from a place of data with actually having the numbers in front of you is you are now empowered to justify that final price, not just to yourself, but to your clients. You should always know what to say when someone asks you, where does this price come from? And that's what we're going to equip you with this micro course to do. So if you have concerns about your price, if you haven't reevaluated it in a while, you haven't changed your price for a long time, maybe when you initially arrived at your price, it was a little bit arbitrary, or maybe you just want to validate that your price is accurate, it works in your market, and it's covering your bottom line. All of those are addressed in this micro course. This micro course is for you if you have those concerns. What you're going to do is we have a tool that actually calculates everything for you. It just relies on inputs from you. We're going to walk you through exactly what to consider. And at the end of it, you're going to have a price that you can start to charge. We're also going to look at making adjustments in market viability to make sure that that price fits not just your lifestyle, but the market in which you're selling. So I hope to see you in the course. It's going to be fun. I love numbers, so let's get started.